was life supposed to do with the remainder of me after you launched into the infinite sea? But I won't trap myself in the lie that we're born on this planet just to find out we'll die. Will time unbind us all? Will time unbind us all? I've given up running away. I realized all journeys lead home. It really is harder to stay. You miss everything that you know. What was life supposed to do with the remainder of me after you launched into the infinite sea? But I won't trap myself in the lie that we're born on this planet just to find out we'll die. Will time unbind us all? Will time unbind us all? The fear that it's all broken down, eroding the center of me, that the heart of the truth to be found is most things fade eventually. Is my measure only what I've done and will be? Are you waiting for me in that infinite sea? Am I trapped inside this physical lie? Am I waiting it out on this planet to die? Don't let time unbind us all. Don't let time unbind us all. Don't let time unbind us all. I won't let time unbind us all. I won't let time